Hello everyone, it's Lee here, and in today's video I'm going to help you fix a common problem with WhatsApp calls and microphone issues. So if you're seeing a message that says your calls are ended due to a problem with your microphone, don't worry, because I'm going to guide you through a few simple steps to fix it. First things first, try restarting your phone, because that might be all it takes to reset the app and fix the problem. If that doesn't work, the next step is to check your microphone settings. To do this, go to your phone's settings, scroll down until you find WhatsApp, and make sure the microphone option is turned on. If that doesn't work, check to see if there's any updates available for WhatsApp in your App Store. Updating the app can often fix any glitches or bugs, so it's essential to make sure that you're running the latest version. If you've tried all these steps and you're still experiencing issues, then it's time to reset the app by clearing its cache. To do this, go to the phone settings, then come down to general, and then to iPhone storage. Find WhatsApp and offload the app, which will clear out any clutter. Then reinstall the app from the App Store. This will reset the app to its original settings and format, which should fix any of the issues. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful in fixing your WhatsApp call and microphone problems. If you have any questions or comments or solutions then that work for you, please leave them in the comment section below, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.